Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can upload higher quality videos on TikTok. Okay, so the process is very straightforward and simple. So all you need to do now, this will pretty much only work if you're using the built-in TikTok camera. So what you need to do is tap the plus icon at the bottom in the center. That'll go ahead and open up the TikTok camera. Now to demonstrate this, I will just record something real quick. So you have to record something that's a minimum of 5 seconds. So there we go. I will now press the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner, and you can edit your TikTok video just how you would like to edit it. Add sounds, text, stickers, effects, and so on. When you're happy with all that, tap on next. Now before you go ahead and actually post this TikTok video, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and tap this option here that says more options. So I'm going to tap on that. And now you can see the second option there. It says allow high quality uploads. What you want to do is make sure that you toggle that on. Now that's going to upload a higher quality video. If you're on a iPhone, it might say upload HD video, but this is an Android, so it says that. So it says higher quality videos may take longer to process. So just keep that in mind, and you always want to make sure that you toggle that on when you're uploading your TikTok videos. If you're not seeing that option, what you need to do is you need to just go to your Play Store. I'm on the Apple or the Google Play Store. Then you just want to search for TikTok, and if there's an update available, this is quite an old feature, so it might be already on your profile, but just update it anyway. If you don't see that, then you can go back into TikTok, and then you can close out of that, and then do your description and everything like that, and then you can go ahead and post that. So that's the process. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.